the reason we have so much brain is that one reason we have so much brain, especially up here in the cortex, is that sensation and perception and action are crucial for our survival. So if we're going to experience something, lots of different parts of the brain are involved in representing that experience, helping us understand that experience, and then helping us decide what we're going to do. The hippocampus, this memory region, this is involved at several stages here. You can imagine seeing something. So opening your eyes and seeing an object that's in front of you. You have signals that come from the eyes into a way station, the thalamus, but then they end up back in the occipital lobe. There's some initial processing that goes on in the occipital lobe, and the parietal lobe and the temporal lobe are involved as well. Eventually these signals end up feeding into the hippocampus, this key memory making structure. Once the hippocampus is involved, the links between all these areas and the hippocampus, and then back from the hippocampus to all these areas, they change what they're doing, they change their activity. And this seems to be at a systems level where memories come from, how memories are made. The frontal lobe is also important for helping us decide what we're going to pay attention to, and that determines what we remember. The frontal lobe also often helps us recover memories or retrieve memories if they don't come to mind right away. So again, it's not just the hippocampus on its own, it's the hippocampus in concert with all these other parts of the brain. They're all working together. They all need to be working together properly to have a memory, to make a memory and then to store it and to retrieve it when you need to use it later on.